Welcome to the coding interview. Please take a moment to read through the problem statement. Let me know when you're ready or if you have any questions.
Okay, before I jump in, I want to confirm a few things. We're allowed to pick any subset of the given strings and concatenate them in any order, right?
Yes, you can select any subset of the strings and concatenate them in any order. Do you have any other questions?
So for the strings called ab, can we split them and turn it into A and B?
No, you cannot split the ab strings into A and B. They must be used as they are. Do you have any more questions?
So the output is just going to be the maximum possible length, right? It's not the string itself.
Yes, the output is the maximum possible length of a good string you can form, not the string itself. Starting to plan your solution may help clarify any other doubts. What is your overall approach to solving this problem using brute force?
Alright, so a good string must alternate like ABAB or BABA, so the only thing that matters is how many A letters and B letters we can place while maintaining that order.
Consider how you would handle the count of ab strings in your approach. How does that influence the sequence?
So we'll have like C number of ab strings, and my plan is to basically use all the ab blocks together because since they're already alternating, so we will have a total length of 2C.
You have mentioned considering the count of C strings. How do you plan to utilize the counts of A and B along with C to form the longest good string?
So now that we're done with ab strings, we can use the A and B strings, alternating them, and the way we can end it is by calculating the minimum of between A and B. So we can always use the minimum amount of A or B letters, and that's how I will make the string longer.
You've outlined how to incorporate the counts of A and B while using C for alternating. Can you think of any edge cases this approach might encounter?
Well, one of the edge case that I can think of is when A is greater than B or B is greater than A, we will have an extra letter of the other alphabet. So what we can do is we can add 1 so that when one alphabet is greater than the other, then we can use an extra letter from the other alphabet.
How would you determine the time complexity of your current approach?
Well, since we are using just linear time and space complexity, we will have O of 1 time complexity.
You mentioned linear time complexity. Can you clarify how that applies to your process of forming the good string?
Well, we can find out the length of the good string by using the 2C and multiplying 2 with the minimum of A and B, and we can also put a conditional addition of 1 when one letter is greater than the other.
You have a good overview of your brute force solution. Would you like to start coding this solution?
Yeah, I don't think I can optimize it further, so I would like to start coding.
Go ahead and implement your solution in the IDE. Please describe your coding process as you work.
Alright, so at first I will take in the inputs, and after taking the input, I will basically start off with the ab strings.
Now, you should consider how to add the contributions from the strings A and B based on their counts.
Well, I will use the minimum of A or B, and I will multiply it by 2, and then I will add 1.
Ensure your logic covers all conditions for adding 1, especially when A and B are equal. Then, finalize your print statement to output the result.
Okay, you're right. I should use a conditional statement. So if A is equal to B, then I won't add the 1. But if A is not equal to B, then I will add that 1, like you said.
Complete the else statement by adding the 1 to your print function. Then, finalize your code.
Okay, so I guess this should work for all test cases.
Run your code to see if it works with the provided test cases.